Welcome to one of our newest listings in the upscale, sought-after neighborhood of Robyn Pointe in the heart of Osage Beach. This gorgeous custom 5-bedroom, 5-bath comes with so many amenities I cannot wait to show you. But one of the best and the hardest to find is going to be this amazing 180-degree view. Come outside, I can't wait to show you. This is one of 3 screened-in decks that are lakeside. This property is made to entertain for a large family or tons of friends, yet feels cozy and warm. But it's truly this view. For a 180-degree view at the 28-mile marker, this is stunning. We're now in a 3rd living space. This one is designed to relax and entertain. Huge wet bar, fireplace, and entertaining area. Just off this lower level is also brand new hot tub and access to the dock. Do you dream of lakefront living? Because if you do, this is it. We're here on this private concrete 3-well dock. This is where you're going to hang and enjoy lake life. Be sure, click the link below so you see all the listing details and register so that you don't miss any lakefront Missouri property.